Research work usually starts scattered. You have web pages, notes, PDFs, client context, half-finished ideas, and a blank report waiting at the end. In this video, I'll show you how to use Robot to turn a research question into a client-ready briefing. The goal is to create a practical briefing on how AI agents can help small business operations. Robot will research the topic, combine that with our own client context, structure the findings, produce recommendations, and package everything into a report we can send. First, let's check the tools this workflow needs. For research, Robot needs access to web search and the URL reader, so it can find and inspect sources. For private context, we'll use the Documents library. For delivery, we'll use PDF export and Gmail. This is one of Robot's strengths. It can move across the whole workflow instead of stopping at a text answer. Next, we'll use the Documents library. This is where Robot can search your uploaded files. Things like client notes, internal documents, reports, proposals, manuals, or strategy docs. For this demo, I've added a simple client context document. It explains the client's business, their operational pain points, and what they care about. That means the final report can be tailored, not generic. Robot also has a skills system. Skills are reusable instruction packs that guide how the assistant approaches different types of work. For this scenario, a deep research skill is useful because we want more than a quick answer. We want sourced findings, synthesis, risks, trade-offs, and recommendations. Now, I'll give Robot the full outcome I want. I'm not just asking, what are AI agents? I'm asking it to research the topic, use my client context, create a practical briefing, export it as a PDF, and draft an email. This is the best way to use Robot. Describe the result you want and let it work through the steps. Robot starts by searching for current information. For topics that change over time, like AI tools and adoption trends, it should not rely only on built-in knowledge. It can search the web, read relevant pages, and use that material as part of the final answer. Then Robot checks the uploaded client context document. This is the key difference between a generic chatbot answer and a useful work product. The report is not just based on public information, it is shaped around the client's situation, concerns, and operational needs. The output is structured into findings, opportunities, risks, and recommendations. Instead of having to collect notes manually, Robot turns the research into a decision-ready summary. This makes it much easier to review, edit, and move straight into a client-facing report. Next, Robot turns the findings into a polished report. I can ask for the format I want, an executive summary, practical use cases, risks, recommendations, and next steps. The important thing is that Robot is not just answering the research question, it is producing the work product. Once the report looks right, Robot can export it as a PDF. This is useful when you want something you can send to a client, share with a team, or archive as a finished deliverable. Robot can now draft the email and attach the PDF. For sensitive actions like sending external emails, I prefer to create a draft first. That way, I can review the message, check the attachment, and decide whether to send it myself or ask Robot to send it with approval. If this is part of an ongoing client relationship, I can also ask Robot to save the useful context to memory or the wiki. That means future conversations can build on what we already learned instead of starting from scratch every time. In one workflow, Robot gathered recent research, used my uploaded client context, summarized the findings, identified risks and opportunities, created recommendations, exported a PDF, and prepared the email draft. This is the difference between a chatbot and a practical work assistant. Robot helps move from question to finished output. This workflow is useful for client briefs, market research, internal reports, product strategy, competitor analysis, and many other knowledge work tasks. Instead of juggling search tabs, documents, writing tools, and email, you can give Robot the outcome you want and let it coordinate the steps.